Hi everybody, how are you? My name is Claude Joly from Ocean Watchers, and today on this review I will teach you how to change a gasket. What is a gasket? It's a ring, rubber ring, is inside the watch. When you open the case, it protects from water coming inside. So I will do a demonstration. So I will use, this is a Seiko chronograph from the 70s. So I will change the gasket inside and I will do a demonstration. So this is the watch, a Seiko vintage from the 70s. So I'm using a finger coat to avoid fingerprint on the movement. So let's open the watch. So I'm opening the watch. So I'm using a small opener. I have two kinds of opener. I will show you. I have this one. And this one. This one is bigger one. So if you have it's very hard to open it, I use this one. When it's very easy to open the watch, I use this one. So I have two kind of opener. So now I just check. There is no ring inside the watch. Rubber ring, no rubber ring inside the watch. So I will put a new one, and I will show you see what kind of rings I bought. The package. So this is a ring I bought. You cannot buy one kind of ring, one size. So you have to buy all size. But it's very cheap. It's cost around $5 US. I bought on Amazon. So I guess it's a Chinese ring. So I have many kind. I have 750 rings. So a lot, all size for the watch. 16 millimeters, 17, 18, 19. All size. So I think one ring will fit on a Seiko chronograph. So let's check it. So I just found out now the ring is not, sometimes it's happened the ring is inside the movement here. I mean here. But sometimes it's happened the ring is on the back of the case, exactly here. So I found out it was here. So I will take the size of a ring. It's 20. Yes, it's close to 29, 30 millimeters. So I guess it's this one. Size 29 millimeters. It will fit my Seiko chronograph. So let's check it. I will fix the ring. So, yes, it's perfect. It fit the case. So now I have a new ring. Of course, it's a very old chronograph, so I will not use for doing for swimming or doing scuba diving or whatever. So, but anyway, it will protect the watch from raining, whatever waters. So okay, it's done. So also what I can do, if I want to protect the rings from cracks, I will use a silicone. So this is the silicone I use. Also I bought in Amazon. I pay around $9 US. It's a silicone grease for watches. You have to buy only for watches, don't buy other silicones. So this one is Euro tool. So I will put some silicone on my rings, just a little bit. But anyway, the ring is new, so I don't need to add silicones. But anyway, sometimes, you know, it's very dry. I have a lot of watches, maybe around 70 watches. So many Seiko 5. Now I finish to add some grease on the ring, so I will close the watch. Okay, the work is done. So I have also that model, really nice. That one I bought around 1995. So I bought in Japan, you know. As maybe, if everybody knows, I'm residing in Japan from since 1983. So already long time, 38 years. So I collect many watches, Seiko 5. So I have a few dressing watch. I am not too much crazy for dressing watch. I prefer diving watch, sports watch. And I have a few pilot watch. So this one, it's very rare Seiko. It's kind of homage of Rolex, Datejust. Really nice one. So this one I bought in Japan. I have to check. As you can see, I bought it in 1988. So many years. I did not change the battery, so I will buy a new battery and change it, and I will do a demonstration also. I really take care of my watch. Really nice. Well, I wear a few times. And there's JBD bracelet. I think Seiko, they have a better clap in old models. No, this one is really nice clap. But this one is a quartz. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my review. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to write me any comments. I will try to answer you soon. And I hope to see you for the next review. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will really appreciate. See you soon. Bye bye.